Sleep. I'll go freshen up, my new shower, and then go and get breakfast. That was so much fun. Oh, Dandelion, you naughty boy. I totally forgot you're a girl. Such a beautiful day outside. I'm just gonna open it so fresh air will come in. Just close this. Dandelion. Oh, hey, Mom. Is anything wrong? Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, Mom. Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay. Oh, jeez. I didn't even did anything. I only bought this dress. She's getting mad at me. It was only for $20, and my limit is... Oops. My limit is 15. Well, she allowed me to use a tab on emergencies, and well, she's always here to like punish me and stuff, but not here when I need her. Doesn't she know I was on an adventure and my dress got ripped off, so I had to buy a new one? Now it's in a repair shop, and it's gonna take a while, so I have nothing else to wear except that gown. I don't like wearing it. I know I'm a princess, but I doesn't have to wear a gown or tiara every time. I do like it, but doesn't have to wear it every time. Oh, Dandelion. I know you're happy because you're moving freely. Not everyone's happy. So upset. Okay, great. She's now watching on me, so I don't leave the room. Well, I guess I can go out. I can go ask her. Hey, Mom, can I, go out in my balcony? Okay, I'm glad you said yes, because if I can't get out in the balcony, can I get an oopsies? I just locked myself in there. Now I have to go up to the universe's room, but she can't know about it. I'm just gonna make this real fast. I'm such a clumsy fool. Okay, let's just come down over here. Come on. Okay, so I'm never gonna do that again, but I'm just gonna go take a water slide. It'll cool me off. This is so nice. It's cooling me off. So I'll just go back up and not get angry about it. Every mom has, this is the first time she's punishing me. Never been grounded before. Well, everybody gets grounded one time, so I guess it's okay. It's only for 1 day. How bad could it be? I know Chef Mara gave me this website that if I ever get hungry or need anything, I can just write it.